G'day cocktail lovers. This is a variation of one of my favorite cocktails. I love all the New Orleans cocktails. They're always boozy and just party drinks. Are they dignified? I'm not sure. One of my favorites is Sazerac, and this is a chocolate Sazerac. The Sazerac is traditionally a pretty simple recipe. It's like rye whiskey, an absinthe rinse in your glass, and some Peychaud's bitters and a bit of sugar syrup. No big surprise, because this is called a chocolate Sazerac. It has the addition of some creme de cacao in there. And that's basically it. But also, well, as I said, there's an absinthe rinse that's quite common. There's a few ways people do it. Some people literally put absinthe in the glass, swirl it around and tip out the excess. Some people will use a spritzer, which is quite a good way. I'm going to use a method that I first saw on the Difford's Guide website that I think is pretty neat. Not least because it gives you that nice light absinthe rinse. You get a chaser of some absinthe to go with it. This is how we do it. Fill your glass with ice, then pour absinthe over that, 1/4 to 1/2 ounce of absinthe. This will do the double duty of chilling your glass, and also the ice will melt a bit and dilute the absinthe. Set that glass aside and we'll prepare the drink. In a mixing glass, put 2 ounces or 60 ml of rye whiskey, then 1/2 ounce or 15 ml of white creme de cacao, 1/4 ounce, around 7.5 ml of sugar syrup, and 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Now we go back to our glass filled with ice and absinthe and drain out the absinthe into a shot glass. Add that ice to the mixing glass and stir the drink for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink. Strain that back into your original glass, and traditionally a Sazerac has no garnish and no ice. And I think after all that, I've earned a taste of this. That is really pleasant. Ooh, like I said, I really like a Sazerac anyway, but this makes it a bit richer, that little bit of chocolate. I know purists will be saying, you're cheating, you're making it too easy to drink with that chocolate. And honestly, it is quite easy to drink. I'll pay for having this easier to drink by having my shot of absinthe as a chaser. You know what else I want to say about my bright blue absinthe? It often gets people saying, that's not real absinthe. It is, you know. It's from people who've been making absinthe for all the decades where it was illegal in most of the world. It's a Spanish absinthe, but they have a gimmick where they color code the different strengths. And so certainly not traditional in appearance, but it is real absinthe. The green absinthe they make is 70% ABV, then red is 75%, the blue is 80% ABV, and they have a black absinthe that's 85% ABV. Not traditional in appearance, but yes, it's a real absinthe, and I'm gonna have a real good time drinking this. Fuck me sideways, you fucking cunt. God fucking damn that. That's the first time I've done that in a while.